So here we go, we're going to do a quick video of the Mazda Miata running. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in. I'll put the, it has a short shifter, so I'm going to put it in neutral.
And
then we'll fire it up. I'm going to get out so I can show them how well it runs. So you can see that the airbag computer is not flashing. There's no airbag warnings, no warning indicators. The motor is cold. So we're going to show how nice and smooth it runs. Hopefully you can hear this on the video. No tapping noise, nothing, just very, very clean motor. Idles really nice. A little bit of gas. Got a nice sound to it. Runs really, really well. Great car. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, thank you.